Cartoonic 94.
In the meadow bright and sunny flies the bee collecting honey, buzzing softly here and there, spreading life through the air. From flower to flower it dances around, golden pollen it has found. Working hard with tiny wings, building hives and sweet things. In the hive they hum a tune, working under the silver moon. Honeycomb so neat and sweet, a tasty treat that's hard to beat. Oh, honeybees, so small and wise, a marvel beneath the open skies. Thank you for the work you do, making the world bloom bright and true.